Hello mga kakwaket! So another day, another vlog with me, Trisha Noella. And for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Bongbong's located at Guys Undergrad Mall together with my two backup friends, Crystalline and Caster. So tamang coffee lang. Alam mo ba yung feeling na wala ka ng pera but then naghahanap ka pa rin ng way yung parang makapag-chill ka lang despite of all the trials na nangyayari. And of course, di mawawala yung utang. Pero ito, tamang chismisan na experience about life. Tamang usapan ng kung paano ba kami yayaman. So, siguro coming soon na. But then, we're enjoying every day of our life together. So this is our 1 hour break together spending at Bongbong. So thank you for watching.